You enter, so you see over here there is a wooden framing. Everything is in good condition, but please check it out and let us know. There are two rooms which we are leaving it to you, and yeah, there is a mirror, and then there is one more nail over here. Please do not nail anything extra. If you need anything, let me know. And there is one more nail over here. You can put any kind of photo frames that you have. There are three bathrooms for your purpose. One is this, so we are leaving all the cleaning things for you. Please make use of that, and definitely it has the steps over here. You can make use of the storage compartment, and we have the hangers everywhere in the bathrooms. So we have light and we have the exhaust fan. So this particular light is for the bathroom, and this is one for the photo one. And then as you enter, so this is how the blue color one looks like. There is no stopper over here, this is gone. However, there is a magnetic stopper in the back end, and then there are switches. There is a geyser. It is a 25-liter geyser. So you turn it on. It is for both the bathrooms, 1 as well as 2. It takes around 5 minutes to get heated, but yeah, maybe you can get into bath after like 5 or 6 minutes. This is another switch. If you turn it on, you get all the lights on. Then there are a couple of other switches. This is for the bathroom. This is as you enter the room. And the last one is, of course, it's a two-way switch for this. I'm gonna turn it off. So if you come over here, there is a lamp. Again, it's working. There is one more nail, and this is a painting which my friend has made. We are leaving all these things, two stools as well as a chair, and you have a window. You have the mattress as well, Wakefit mattress. It may look a bit odd, but nonetheless, we had reached out to a Wakefit mattress, and they said that's how it works. And this is approximately 1.5 years old. There are two windows, as I mentioned. Both the windows, you have the pull down as well as push up kind of mechanism. That's how you can close the blinds, and it's French blinds. If you open it further, it will completely close. So that's how it works. There is a lantern. Again, it works, but this is US plug. You may want to get an adapter in order to plug it over here. There are multiple switches. Fan, again, the knob works well. We have got it replaced yesterday. And there is two-way switch, there is light switch, everything. And this light is for this. And then this is how the wall unit looks like. Everything has been cleaned except for a couple of stuffs over there. So that should be okay. This is how the taller unit looks like. There is a chape which you can make use of. And of course there are like multiple drawers. So you open it, you have the hanger units, everything. And this is all these are fetish fittings. So as and when it comes over here, the slider, it slows down and it slowly lands up over here. But just clean it once before you use it so that you are comfortable. And all the keys, we are leaving it in the wardrobe itself. Please make use of it. So everything is sliding door. Just beware whenever you are opening the door, just leave the hand. It shouldn't go beyond this point. It may get stuck. But all the things have been kept. But please clean it once again so that you're all fresh. And as I said, the window blinds. So this is how it works. You further do it, it closes completely. You further do it, it opens up partially. So that's how it works. The wooden frames are new, again 1.5 years old. There is a mirror over here. This is in the guest bedroom. And everything is clean, but nonetheless, if you have anything, please let us know. This is how the second frame looks like. It's painted in the blue, whereas in the back it's painted the rosewood color. So we have again one more huge unit over here for the storage. You can make use of all the ones. The stopper, everything works well. There are two stoppers, one in the back, one in the front for the door. And you have units over here. I'm gonna take this back, and there is an iron box which we are leaving. This is one more TV unit, you can make use of it. There are multiple drawers, so all this you can make use for your personal purpose. We're gonna clean it out. And then there is a mirror. So how we have done it, you close it, the mirror gets closed, and then the mirror gets opened, and then there is a vanity pouch. The AC duct is over here, that's for the other room, but all that we have done is we have fitted 1-ton AC for this room. There are screens, again we have washed it, we have put it for you. There is a recliner, we might sell it off, but nonetheless we'll let you know. Then there are other screens. There is a Florida map over here, please retain it, that's our favorite. And then there is a balcony over here. So this is where the AC is fitted. You have a couple of pots, again please make use of it. And this is a storage unit one. All you do is you hold it and you lift it, so you can make use for your purpose. There are 2 mattresses, you can use it, the roll up roll out mattresses. Please make use of it if you need it extra. So all you do is again you press it, but when you have this open, please ensure that the kids are not around. And then there are 2 table units. There is a remote to the AC, and you have multiple switches over here, please explore it. The AC switch is over here. This is what the AC switch is. Currently I'm turning it off. And there is one more unit, and this is where the the second geyser is. This is only one geyser, again it's 25 liter one, and then there is a bathroom one. So again you see everything is in good condition. Again there is some storage space. We have a stool, it's for the kids, and then we have the separation unit between the wet area and the dry area.